You call it
The axagator.
the axagator, like the alligator. It's escalator and elevator. They both sound similar. I know you call them both the alligators, but
Hey, Emily,
yes.
can I lay down? Do you mind if I lay down, be quiet for 20 minutes?
Yeah, go for it. Greta, are you excited to be in here playing with your big brother?
She will be free like me. She was free first, then she was 4. And
She was 3 months, but not 3 years. She hasn't been 3 years yet. She'll be 3 years in a couple years.
And Mom,
She's half a year old now.
she's 6.
She's 6 months, yes. 6 months.
She was 5 first, and she was 6. She's 6 now. I found
Yeah.
her blanket.
She's half a year.
And this is kind of Greta's blanket. So this is Greta's blanket.
Yeah. Yeah, that was my robe. I was putting it behind her in case she falls over. Oh, look, she's got her little puppy blanket. Yep, hold her so she doesn't fall.
It's gonna be harder.
Her face. She's like, ah. There.
She's holding on her blanket.
Are you excited? You're hanging out with your brother?
He's
Yay.
flying to the sky. This is the sky.
Yeah, that's the sky up there.
Yeah.
Whoa.
He's flying so high, and he's flying in the storm. But it's a happy storm.
A happy storm?
Yeah.
Oh,
and
good.
He like a pleasant
Oh, good. It's not the scary storm.
wink. He just bumped into a dresser.
He bumped into the dresser. Oh, no.
He didn't bump into it. He gonna screw it, screw. And because he had a screw,
Oh.
he did this. He did this.
Whoa.
Then he go back to his airport.
Go back to the airport where it's safe. Get away from the happy storm.
He's still flying.
He's flying around Greta. Greta is the giant on his island. Ah. It's the giant baby. Ah.
But she's not a giant baby.
Compared to the airplane she is. That airplane's tiny, so she looks giant next to it. She's the giant happy baby, and that's the...
He landed. That's his airport. And your thumb is the airport.
Oh, my thumb is the airport. All right.
But you need the airport gotta be down and no, don't
Oh, there.
fly.
Okay.
I don't fly.
Okay. Glad I could be of assistance. Okay.